Hello gems, my name is Bushnell. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you stay long enough to subscribe. I talk about femininity, personal development and mindset. If you're already part of the tribe, welcome back. Being female is a matter of birth. Being a woman is a matter of age. But being a lady is a matter of choice. Ladies, today I want us to talk about ways to be more ladylike. So grab something to drink, get something to write with, get comfortable, and let's talk about this. The first pointer is learn etiquette. Be it dining etiquette or social etiquette. When it comes to dining etiquette, it's things like which fork is for the salad and which glass is for wine. Also things like when you're served food first at the restaurant, you're supposed to wait until all your friends or family members or people you're having dinner with to get served before you start eating. The things you cannot talk about on the table, for example, talking about the washroom on the table, it's not etiquette. So some things like that. When it comes to social etiquette, things like when you belch or burp in public, excuse yourself. That is learning, that's just basic etiquette. So expose yourself to etiquette, learning etiquette. The second thing is how you dress. So as a lady, try to invest in more skirts and dresses that are flowy and are made of materials that are feminine, chiffon, silk or satin, soft feminine material. Also, go for more dressing up than dressing down. If any opportunity for you to dress up comes, dress up. Don't be afraid to be the center of attention in that space. Also, dressing for the occasion. I wouldn't expect you to dress in a gala dress in a white gala dress to your friend's wedding. So dressing for the occasion, and also the colors to dress. Again, if you are going for an interview, then I wouldn't expect you to dress in a bright yellow or a bright red. More tonal, neutral colors for the interview works better. And also in this, get your signature scent, a scent that represents who you are. A woman has to have a good scent and a good smell. The third point is manners. Well, this is a lot. It includes things like being kind. Are you kind to the guard at your gate? Are you kind to the guard at your workplace? To the waitress or the waiter? Do you say please and thank you when you are talking to people? Do you say please and thank you when you're talking to even the people that you do not know, or even to your man? Are you grateful when he gets you something? Also in manners is do not gossip. Gossip is one, it's not ladylike, it's not classy, it's not feminine, and it's not what God wants. It's ungodly. So avoid gossip. Instead, when you're in a situation where people are talking ill about somebody you know, talk positively about that person and break the cycle. Or you can even say, guys, I'm not okay with this conversation, could we change it? Also avoid drama. You do not want to be like the Real Housewives of X. Like me, you notice like such shows have a lot of drama. So avoid drama. Do not let your name be caught up with any drama that ladies can have. And also, this has also to do with manners, has to do with mysterious. Don't tell everybody your business. Of course, we do not want monitoring spirits to block our blessings. Also, people don't deserve to be in our space. Not everybody deserves to be in our space. Knowing us as a lady is a privilege. The fourth thing is posture. You should have a good posture when sitting and when standing. Shoulders down, chest forward, head up. Do not bend. You can start doing exercises to help you do this. Take pictures and videos to see how you sit and how you stand. A lady always crosses her legs. A lady always puts her knees together when sitting. You can choose to cross your legs or not. I know the Kate Middleton does not cross her leg while Meghan Markle crosses her legs. And so you can find how ladies sit. There's so much information on that on the internet. The fifth thing is voice. Have a gentle and soft voice. Do not shout. Shouting makes you look like ghetto. Also, your volume of your voice. No, have a certain volume when talking, a pitch, and even a tonation when talking. Soft voice is it's related to feminine women, and men already have this bass. Their voice breaks, so masculine men are attracted to soft feminine voice. And also in this, do not curse. Do not be out here cussing and speaking in slang. The ghetto, my goodness. The next point is be positive. Be optimistic. Be a ray of sunshine. See the glass half full rather than half empty. Be the person when people tell you good news, even though it's kind of weird, you're happy for them. Be the person who's warm, because feminine energy is warm. So be somebody warm and nurturing. And also in bringing out your positivity is do things that you love. If you hate your job so much, you'll become a Miss complaining Nancy, and complaining Nancy can't be positive because she's doing something she doesn't like, and being somebody who complains is also not positive. And finally, smile. If all else fails, smile. All in all, stay classy and feminine. That is how to be more ladylike.